Completely transform announcements and update management with this automation flow using n8n and Straico. Connect your ideas and updates from a spreadsheet to publishing on your digital channels, generating texts and visuals in an intelligent, collaborative, and efficient manner. Let's start with a schedule node in n8n, which automatically checks your Google Sheets file at set intervals. The Google Sheets node identifies rows marked with a pending status and extracts the key data from each publication, which we define as essential characteristics, technical details, use cases, and notes or comments from the community. The second node is where Straco comes into play, generating an elaborate post with a custom prompt aligned with the brand tone we previously created. In our case, it's a tone that promotes enthusiasm for innovation. The message conveys motivation for advancement in AI, seeking to provide simple explanations, without technical jargon or complex language, so that everyone understands the value of the update. Aiming to create confidence and empowerment since the benefits are aimed at enhancing your capabilities, without exaggerations or empty promises. And it has a collaborative approach, as our community participates in the advancements and the impact of their ideas and comments is recognized. The proposed structure of each post includes a welcome hook, context of the update, main functionalities, details of each function, applicable use cases, benefits, and community notes. Inspiring closing, inviting to experiment and share. Remember that here you can customize the format to suit your brand and be as dynamic as you need it to be. Once we have the text, we create an optimized image with another Straco node that reflects the essence of the ad. Pro tip: Straco can automatically optimize the prompt to get the best result with the image generator of your choice. The system analyzes the post to detect the most striking elements and present the atmosphere and focus of your message, adjusting the style according to your preferences. At this point, we have everything ready to share. We will use the Discord node, which publishes your ad and the generated image directly to a channel. An important note is that for this flow, you do not need to create or configure a bot. Simply use a webhook, which makes this a very simple integration. To create a webhook in Discord, go to your server, select the channel you want to configure, and in its settings find the integration section. There you can see the ones you already have configured or create a new one. When saving, you can copy the link to the webhook, which is the one you will use in the Discord node. And finally, the flow updates the status of the row in Google Sheets to published, allowing efficient monitoring of each campaign. Thus, you can keep your audience informed and launch product or service updates with just a few clicks. This represents a significant time saving, which can be up to 10 hours per week for those who manage multiple channels or products. Would you like this flow to include more social networks or publishing channels? If you have ideas, specific needs, or would like to automate other processes on your preferred platform, share your proposal, and we will help grow this flow to adapt it to more contexts and communities. We invite you to implement this flow, experiment with its functions, and share your results.